Urugudo rwa Kabale Bunagana highway nirukwatanisa enkuuto iyo muri Rubanda na Kisoro otireho rukuto rukweyongerayo rukazo mu ihangeri ya Kongo ahamwe na Rwanda kandi nurugendera kimwe ruzaho omwirindiro ry'Enyamisha area Bwindi National Park. Ahamwanya uguri kwetwa aha Kagezi Rutenga omuri ahamura Town Council aho orukuto rwa Chorus tirukahikireho ngo bitu government negumanetera ebiraka ebyamaramu. Mwanyogu nchigambwa ngu hawireho imyaka 5 yunura erigumane rutera ebiraka ngo bitu no bwahati rugarukire rwimukamu ebyina byamani. Ahamwanya ogwa St John's SS orukuto rukatenguka omtown council yahamura kandi no bwahati government etandikire kurukora ngo bitu no bwahati turukahwire. Sporti eyanyamiyaga omtown council ya Murore amizi gagumire nigariya herukuto kurindo bwahati hobwo rukuto rukire aha kingana busha enkuuto ekaguma nehwerera ngo bito bwahati government garukire ya rugayo yija no bukugubwa amani omukurutera ebirake bindi. Meruwe bajuba uri kansara rukujekera abantu habahamura nagira ngo enkute enyinji zitwirwe amizi bitu nagira ngo ahamurwa nkore bariyo nubakoramo nibagenda mpora wagerageranisa no bariyo nubakora omuri Nyamiyaga.
They are intervening, they are working on the road, but the works at those areas have been slow. But in Rubanda Town Council they have intervened very quickly. They are working on it on a very speed. We are very grateful for the government of Uganda and for UNRWA for the quick intervention. So we are requesting you, as you have worked here at a quick speed, you also intervene at Amuga Town Council, also at the same pace as you have worked here. Otherwise we are very grateful.
Ugarujire yasima president habo kugira ngo akabahereza na senze kugira ngo base kushara orukuto bengere kurutereza.
The president of Uganda, His Excellency Kaguta Museveni, for the works under UNRWA which they are working for our people, and our people are very happy because transport means have been paralyzed, but at least now we hope if they finish transport means will continue as usual.
Obedi Mutatina wa social services yasima government ahabo kuhunduuza orukutoro.
We appreciate the government of Uganda mainly concerning the road networks. You know, we've been experiencing heavy rains, our roads have been damaged, but we want to thank the government of Uganda and His Excellency Kaguta Museveni for the concern of the people of Rubanda. You know, this is the only road we have that connects Kisoro with the rest of the country. It is also a road that connects Uganda with other regions like Congo, like Rwanda. So it has been a problem. It's not only here but also there is another place at Amugwa.
Michael Mwijike ori kurire byo kwerinda mu district ya Rubanda agire mu government eriyo nekora cyone kiri kubasika ukureba ngo nkute zona yabasa kuzitereza.
I thank UNRWA for quick response to this important road. Kabale Kisoro road is very important because